Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Bleeding Crypto's Market Update. Today is Thursday, October 31st, 5:38 a.m. local time. I hope you're having a good day, morning, or afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. Let me start off by giving my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is to be used for entertainment purposes only for your fantasy paper trading. All right, guys. Good to be back. I've been really busy with my copy trade. So as you guys know, I have a copy trade service where people sign up and they pay $25 a month. I give them the settings so that they can just follow me and understand where to place the settings that I need for the copy trade to be successful. So I've got hundreds of people that basically get to benefit from me trading 7 days a week, scalping and day trading every day. Every day. They don't have to do a single thing. They pay me $25 a month, they fund their account, and they walk away. And that's it. So if you're interested, send me a DM and I will send you the website link to sign up. So it's been an incredible couple of days, guys. Incredible. We went right back up to all-time high, which is great. Do you remember when we were down here? Do you remember what I told you we needed to do? The bulls needed to prove to us. They needed to prove to us. They needed to get above this do or die line. Look, the purple line. And look what they've done. Look what they've done. It's like... That's TA. That's the beauty of TA. You've got areas, you got borders, you got things that you need to see before you can get excited. And it's so funny, guys. It's so funny. You can tell the people that are just plain fucking ignorant. And by the comments, I'm not even bothering with these idiots. I'm just blocking them. They get all pissed off. Oh, you're so excited. You're so excited. Those are the people who missed the fucking bottom. That's why they're so sore. They kept on waiting for a bottom that wasn't coming. They kept on coming for a drop that wasn't coming. They kept on listening to those YouTubers that were calling for 15,000. It wasn't coming. And now look, now we had yesterday at $72,000. BlackRock bought the most Bitcoin ever in a single fucking day, ever. It's just insane. What is coming for us, guys? We're going to fucking break all-time high any moment now. I can feel it. But here's the reality, guys. And yes, you are allowed to be happy, and you're allowed to be euphoric, and you're allowed to celebrate, especially when it's my fucking account. People act like I have to, like I'm accountable for their fucking peasant ass. I don't give a shit about you fucking peasants. This is my account. I get to post whatever the fuck I want. You poor people can stay fucking poor. I don't give a shit. So, on that note, we can be all happy and everything, and it's great. However, we have to kind of also stick to the TA. You're forced. If you're a trader, you're forced to. You're allowed to be happy, but you're also, when it comes down to business, you have to follow the TA. This is what I'm going to do. I've gotten a lot of complaints, and we've built this chart through the months, but it's getting crowded, and I agree. It makes sense to me, and I'm not going to get rid of it for me, but I'm going to open a different chart, and with less lines. I use this for my scalping and my day trading, so I need these lines. They make sense to me. So we're going to do this. We are going to open. I just didn't want to do it without doing it live, because you guys you've seen the growth of all this. You've seen all these levels that we talked about, they hit, and we've followed all these marks. So obviously I'm trying to just show you that it's not just me fudging the lines so that everything lines up exactly. Every video, things line up. So you don't say, oh, BC, you moved that line to make yourself look good. No, go back to any video. Was that line there for 3-4 months ago? Yeah, it was, BC. Okay, then what exactly did I move? That's the beauty about recording, guys. Everything is time-stamped and everything is recorded. Like, you can't fudge that. You can go back. You can download these videos and say, oh, no, maybe he edited when we weren't looking. Well, download it and then fact-check me. I'm always telling people to fact-check me, and yet I've never been called out once. It's crazy. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and do create a brand new BTC new Twitter. I should call it X, right? I hate calling it X. New X chart. I'll do that. New X chart. I fucking hate that name. All right, fuck it. There we go. We did it. I pull the band-aid. I pull the band-aid. All right, let's go. Let's start again. All right. Even though I'm going to start, okay. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to start a new chart. However, the same things still apply. Okay? The same things still apply. As far as what we're looking for, nothing's changed. The top of that channel on the horizontal, we didn't break it. All right? We didn't break it. We got up to it. So that's still valid. The bottom, the top of the diagonal chart, that can still come down and hit that, guys. I mean, yeah, we're all bullish and everything, but at the end of the day, if things invalidate, we need to have those sectors mapped out. We need to have those on our chart so that we have an idea of where strong support is going to be. So that's why I want to make sure that you understand that even though we're putting a new chart, we still have to put our main lines are still applicable. Let's start with the horizontal. There we go. And there we go. It's easier if I do this. Okay, perfect. And then we are going to go to our diagonal. All right. And the diagonal, let's go right there. Yep, right there. And we are going to go right to, you know what, I'm just going to snap it right here. It'll be easier. Okay, there we go. Perfect. All right, so now it's snapped exactly where it needs to be. Okay, so these are, again, our new baseline. So let's talk through them. I guess I should have talked to them before I snapped the horizontal, the diagonal, but it's okay. Look, it's not that crowded. So we went back up to the high. Great. All right. So what do I want to see for higher? We kind of already know that, right? Just by listening to me and by me showing you the 95 to 99% of what's going to happen. When we break, and we are going to break this, when we break on the lower time frames, we're going to look for that little touch and then boom. Now here's where things are going to get interesting, guys. There is no data above here, okay? No data. However, with the amount of Bitcoin being purchased, the euphoria, you can expect, you don't have to expect shit. What I'm expecting is an accelerated move. Most people are going to look for a dump. I'm going to look for an accelerated move. Now, what if I'm wrong? What's my invalidation? That's all that matters. What's my invalidation that we don't have an accelerated move? Well, we fall below here. I look for the back test, the rejection, and I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. No big deal. But I have a plan. That's the only thing that matters. That's why these Twitter fucking peasants, they get pissed because they don't have a plan. They don't know what to do. You post anything. Oh, what do you think is next? Can you imagine? They're asking me, what do you think is next for one reason? Because they're in the market. Can you imagine coming into a market, opening an account, throwing money in, and trading and opening up a position, and then just leave it to the wind? Wait for somebody on Twitter to give it the direction. That's fucking crazy. I had some fucking retard yesterday, some moron, tell me, because I posted that if you don't own any Bitcoin, if you don't have any exposure to Bitcoin, you better make sure you fucking buy right now. Right now. That's the worst advice I've ever heard. Can you imagine that, guys? And what are you going to tell people when it's just at 80,000, 100,000? Oh, well, you could have bought at 72. Oh, no, but that's just, you just couldn't do. Yeah, you could have. If you had bought the very top in 2017, the very top, you'd be up 2x. If you've bought the very top in 2021, the very top, you'd be up $3,000. You'd be up no matter what. It's like, they don't, are you fucking that stupid? Those are the people that are still waiting for lower prices because they never bought. They've been waiting for, oh, no, I'm waiting for the bottom. I'm waiting for that 40,000 target. I'm going to wait for the $50,000. No, I'm going to wait. No, we're fucking already here. We're hitting all time. No, we can't go yet. Yeah, well, that's your fault. It's not our fault. That's not our fault. So I'm going to say it again. If you have no exposure to Bitcoin and you've been waiting for that drop, obviously that shit didn't work out for you. So what do? You fucking buy now. You buy now. Now, what you want to buy is money that you can burn, money that you don't need to live on. What we like to call beer money, throwaway money. When you go to a bar, right? You spend $200-300 like nothing. Okay, that's what alcohol costs. Okay, obviously you can throw that money away because you're literally drinking that money away, and you're never gonna see it again. You piss it out, and that's it. It's done. You piss that money. You want to call it piss money? No, call it piss money. That is what you should buy. Anything over that, you need to consult your partner or consult a financial advisor. But you better have exposure to fucking Bitcoin. It doesn't matter how little it is. Just have some. Buy some right now. All right? And don't listen to those other fucking Twitter twats that say, oh, no, that's too high. Get the fuck out of here. These fucking morons. They're just so fucking stupid. They get so annoying. That's why I try not to come on that much. They just annoy me so much. I don't like being around stupid people. And I can't stand stupid fucking comments. But you're not buying the top. Okay, guys? You're not buying the top. You're getting exposure to the greatest asset in the fucking world. All right? These idiots, oh, you're buying the top. They act like they fucking know where it's going to go. They literally act like they know where it's going to fucking go. I've been doing this for 8 years. You see me, you see my success in the copy trade, right? I don't even know where it's going to fucking go. And I look at these charts 7 days a fucking week. So one thing is holding spot and one thing is playing leverage. And let me let you in on something, guys. You're not going to make money. You're not going to get rich on this bull run on leverage. It's not going to happen. The only way you're going to make money on this in this run is on spot. Leverage is to pass the time. Leverage is to pass the time. The day-to-day, the fun stuff, the paychecks. That's what leverage is. Because here, let me give an example. You're going to get 40% drops all the way up. 40% drops. If you don't believe me, look left on the weekly time frame and go to the other previous runs and you'll see 40% drops. So if you have a 2x and you caught the pico bottom on your long, when those 40% drops come, you're safe. However, do you think you catch the pico bottoms, you fucking peasants? No, you don't. Do you play 2x? No, you don't either. So imagine anything above a 2x on a 40% drop is fucking liquidated. And they're going to do that again and again and again and again. Why? Because they know what you're holding, you stupid fuck. That's why I call you a peasant, because you think you're smarter than the motherfucking market, and you are not. That's why you will always stay fucking poor, because you will listen to a dumb fuck who will tell you, no, you can't buy here. You can't buy here. Oh, but I don't have any Bitcoin. No, that doesn't matter. You can't buy here. Like, fucking dumbass. Can you imagine? Go tell him when it's 100,000. Hey, I didn't buy that. Can you go ahead and sell me your Bitcoin at 70? Oh no, well you should have made a plan and bought. He'll literally tell you that. He'll wipe his hands and say, oh, no, wait, I wasn't a financial advisor. That was just my opinion. These fucking peasants. Anyways, so what's next? This is what I'm looking for. I gave you the upside, what I'm looking for. Breakout, back test, boom. That should give you a really good confirmation. Invalidation, break below it. Back test, doesn't hold, rejection. Okay, then we're looking for a little bit lower. Now, as of right now, what we have is we have an uptrend structure. It got a little weak here when we went down to 786, a little wick below that, didn't close, maintained that, and we put a higher high. So regardless of how ugly this looked at the time, it's still a higher low. It's still a higher low, but what it did, it put a nice double bottom, nice W, and boom, she went. Put a higher high, higher low, higher high. I am forced by my rules that no matter what I think, it is irrelevant. Let me go here. I got to snap it exactly. It drives me crazy. I'm OCD. and I can go, around approximate. It has to be the same. And then these lines here, they bug the shit out of me. To add my OCD, add it to my Tourette's, add it to my bipolar, and oh my Lord, I'm fucked. Anyways, okay, so I'm forced to do this. I'm forced to say, hey, continuation rule, baby. All right, bounce, let's go. Now, if we bounce, does that mean we're guaranteed a higher high? Nope, nothing changes. Go back to any one of my videos. What's the next thing? What's the next thing that you are allowed to think? Remember, these are rule sets, and you can't break them. So you're allowed certain things, and you're not allowed certain things. Like any type of rules. The rules are, if we bounce off of here, and if we wick, but we close here, you're still good. It's still valid. So the next thing is a double top. 100%. It is 100% impossible. 100% certainty that if you bounce off of a continuation rule, you will always form a double top. There's no possible way in this fucking universe that you cannot get a double top. It's a certainty. So, if that is a fucking certainty and nobody can ever disprove me, then you have to be careful. Okay, well, this could still be a double top. But the thing is that you have a really good marker here that is going to give you that signal. It's like people get so offensive when you're trying to teach them validations. No, fuck that, BC, fuck that. It's like, no, that's not how a trader never thinks fuck that. Hell no. We don't think, we don't operate in those terms. We operate as what's the probability? What's the possibility? What am I looking for validation to continue? Why? Because it's going to cost us. I got to eat every day. I got to get a paycheck every day. I don't get a paycheck, I don't fucking eat. And I get hungry. So we're going to wait for that and see if the double top gets invalidated by a higher high. And not just a wick. Because remember, a wick could just be a signature move, which is a run of stops, and then come down. Look, let me show you this. Every time that we're going to drop, motherfucker, I've done this so many times, but for some of those fucking peasants over there that don't know, here, look. Let me show the fucking peasants that like to talk shit to me that I block. Just be simple reason, because I'm going to block you because you're a fucking peasant. Look. Every time we're going to have a drop, they will run the stops. It's called I call it a signature move. You're not going to find that term anywhere. That's my term. Look, signature move, they run, boom, they drop. Look, right there. Look. Signature move, they run the stops, and they fucking drop. Every fucking time. I mean, it's every fucking time. And they want to talk shit to me. They have no system. Look, boom, run the stops, boom, we drop. Now you understand why I block these fucking peasants? Now you understand you're going to fucking tell me? Get the fuck out of here, bitch. I have a system. It might not match your system. And guess what? Your system may be better than mine. Congratulations. I don't wish you to lose fucking money. But what I don't like is you fucking peasants that are not making any fucking money try to tell me how to do it. That's what bothers me. I have my system. And if your system works, great. Let's collab. You know who has an incredible system? Incredible system. And I follow them. And I gave them props last week. My buddy Stefan and Paul J. Completely fucking different system. Other than the fibs, completely different. Him and Stefan, we're really good friends. We talk a lot on DMs. We talk a lot. Hey, dude, this is my idea. Guys, I have a system, and yet I ask him, hey, this is my idea. You know why? Because there's been time that he says, well, you know what? There's this one rule that I use, and it's hitting here. I'm like, oh shit. Okay, that makes sense. And then I'll see how that works out with mine. Why? Because we're trying to help each other. This is why I love my community. This is why, because in my community, we're not here to fucking put each other down. We're here to learn. My Discord, everyone is collaborating. That's why I give those seats away. I get a 50% retention rate when I give those out. 50%. In 2 weeks, 50% of the people say, fuck, I can't live without that. And the other 50%, BC, thank you for the opportunity. When I have money, I'm going to do it. Why? Because they see the benefit. They see the benefit. I'm there 7 days a fucking week, giving them every opportunity possible, helping them. Everyone's helping them. That's not just me. We have a huge community of experienced fucking traders. So, guys, we're here to fucking help you. So quit your fucking smart ass remarks. I'm going to fucking block you. I will block you. If there's a comment that even resembles something I don't like, block. I don't give a fuck if you don't like that I'm happy. Don't give a shit, you poor motherfucker. I don't care. So go ahead, continue to do it. And I'm going to continue to express whatever the fuck I want. Because it's my Twitter account, bitch. It's funny, these guys, they get pissed and they're following me. I'm not following none of these fucking peasants. But they're following me. And they want to criticize me. What the fuck you following me, you dumb bitch? It's just fucking ridiculous. Oh my Lord. All right, so going back to this continuation rule. Can I find confluence? Well, you know what? I don't have to look. Well, actually, I'll show it to you. Look, right here. Look at this. 70,100. Okay, now we're making the story. Now we have a high back. And this is how our charts get crowded. All right, it's information. So 70,100. I got one guy complaining, you need to call out everything you do because I can't see it. Fuck you. You can't see it. Get a fucking better monitor. It's too blurry. It's not blurry on my monitor, bitch. I got a fucking MacBook Pro. It cost me $5,000. Yeah. Oh, well. If you're working on a cheap ass fucking computer, not my fucking problem. Stop being poor and go fucking buy one. Or go make money and buy one. I don't give a fuck about you. This guy motherfucker is literally, I need you to do the call outs. Fuck you, you fucking peasant. It's like, I can't believe this shit. Yeah, I can't make this shit up. The shit that people tell me. Motherfucker, this is free, bitch. Beggars can't be choosers. I think you're a fucking peasant, so I'm going to treat you like one. DCT heat cluster. People really think that I'm trying to gain their respect and I'm trying to gain their fucking approval. It's like, fuck you, bitch. You follow me. You follow me, motherfucker. I don't follow you. The fuck you think I care about your dumb ass? All right, so DCT heat. So now we start to build a case. What's the reason that we can't break all-time high? Why couldn't? Well, there's some stuff here that, you know what? They like to resolve. They like to put market structure. All right, they like to put market structure. Now, what if this invalidates? All right, let's say we close a candle here, full candle, open and close. We never regain this. What happens? We are forced to do this. We are forced to do that. Okay, well, can we find confluence? Can we expect the market to hold there? I don't know. We have to wait for the market to show us. But can we build a case for it? Well, if we come down here, the do or die line. The do or die line. Look how strong that fucking do or die line is. Look at that. Support resistance, 8 months of history. 8 months of history. So yeah, 786, do or die line, very possible. Is it 100% guarantee? No, you fucking peasant. I said possible, probable. I don't know. The most important thing is I don't care because I'm going to make money either fucking way. So great. That's just more money on my short position. Great. That's fucking awesome. Because when I exit my short position on my continuation rule and it invalidates and it goes lower, I get back in. And I find another target. And once that target hits, I exit. How do you know where to exit, BC? I don't. I'm a serial profit taker. Constantly guys, I take 18 to 20 trades a fucking day. Why? Because the market gives you nothing but fucking opportunities. And if it was too soon, guess what the market's going to do? 100% of the fucking time, it is going to break below it, back test, and if it rejects, I do it again. Why? Because I know, because I live in the 1 minute time frame. There's a whole different world that you guys have no clue about. A whole different world that you guys have never fucking seen, and it's right in front of you. It's the 1 minute time frame. The only people that I've seen use the 1 minute successfully, like I do, is my buddy Stefan and Paul. I got to give them credit, guys, because this fucking space is full of wannabe motherfuckers that don't put their money where their mouth is. A bunch of fucking wannabe motherfuckers. Those two guys are the only people that I can vouch because I've seen their work. I've seen them fucking work. I see how they think. So I'm like, these motherfuckers, completely different system. They still respect the 1 in 5 minute. They still respect the 1 in 5 minute. It's just, again, guys, it's just fucking find your system and stick to it. It doesn't have to be the 1 minute doesn't have to be part of your system, but fucking find a system that works, man. Find a system that fucking works. Okay, so what other confluence could I have for price to come down here? What else can cause the price to come down here? Well, DCT heat map. It's not a guarantee, but guess what? We saw all that heat up here, right? They came and took it out. Hold on. We saw all that heat that they took out. And all that. Guess what? Do they have to go and take? No, they don't have to. However, what kind of an analyst are you if you don't map it out as a probability? Your job as an analyst is not to ignore the fucking data that you want or you don't want to see. All data has to be included. All data. You don't pick and choose. You put all of it. 65,300. 65,300. 65,300. High block heat. Boom. All right. So now we've got area, 2 areas that we're looking for. Reasonable. These line up with the continuation rule. Guess what? This invalidates the continuation rule. However, you could do one of these where you had a wick, candle body closed, maintained that continuation rule. Could we do that again? Sure. Why not? Who the fuck says you can't? As a matter of fact, is this heat lines up with any type of support from the past? Yep. Any type of resistance? Yep. Up. Neckline of the end top. Resist. I can't make this shit up. I love this job. It's like, I find it so fucking easy. And I think that's what irritates most people. That's what irritates. That's why I rub people the wrong way. Because I come on here and I show them such simple shit, how easy this is. Oh, fuck you, BC. Well, okay, that's fine. They get so angry. But here's the thing, guys. This wasn't easy to me in the beginning. You know how many hours I spent fucking crying like a little bitch? You know how many fucking YouTube videos I watched in the beginning thinking, I can figure this shit out. We all go through that cycle. Anger, frustration, anxiety, crying. But you know what I didn't do? You know what separates me from you fucking peasants? I never gave up. That's the only difference. Did I want to give up? Hell yeah. Every fucking day I want to throw in the towel every fucking day. But I didn't. That's what separates me from you fucks that complain and they bitch and give me your fucking opinions like I'm asking for them. When I post something, they comment like I need to know what they fucking say. Get the fuck out of here. I don't give a shit what you have to fucking say. So, going back to here, what else does this line up with? Look. The strongest resistance Bitcoin has ever fucking had in the past 8 months was right on this line. Right on this line. 8 fucking months. So, if you have learned anything, you fuck, is that every single time that you have resistance this strong, it is going to be very tough to break. Hence, 1, 2, it fucking bounced. Very tough to fucking break. Can it break? Yes, it can. And that's where your peasant brain can't really function, because you cannot fathom that, well, it has to go. No, show it to me. Breaks below, back tests, boom. Okay. All right. What is this? July 29th? Give me 1 second. July 29th. July 29th. Okay. Okay, where are we? July 29th is right here. Let me go. Let me look. Just pinch the chart a little bit. Oh, excuse me. That's right here. This is the diagonal. Okay, so look. July 29th. So we couldn't break through it. We went above. Okay. Where's the fucking back test? Did the back test hold? Nope. The back test didn't hold. Now, oh, I don't think it'll go that. Shit. It won't go that low. I don't think it will. I'm going to try it. Give me 1 second. I want to show you something on here. July 29th, 7 a.m. July 29th, 7 a.m. Give me 1 second. July 29th, 7 a.m. July 29th, 7 a.m. July 29th, 7 a.m. Put this here. 7 a.m. Okay, perfect. Go to, please. No, last bar available. God damn it. The last bar available in the 5 minute is August 18th. Oh, well. Anyways, I've showed you guys plenty of times. You guys seen that. You guys seen me do that plenty of times. Where to look for, how to look for it, how to identify it, and what you need to do. I wanted to show you on that. Just show you some but I've done that plenty of times. Those who have been following my videos know exactly what I'm talking about. Anyhow, do you see how we are building a story? Do you see how we're not just assuming something's going to happen? It's a story. And guess what? I like to have fun sometimes. I like to get excited like everyone else. Everybody thinks, oh, you have to be a fucking robot. No, this has to happen. Oh, God, this is terrible advice. Like, fuck you, you fucking cunt. I'll say whatever the fuck I want. But when it comes down to business, when it comes down to claiming a paycheck, man, I can't afford to be happy. I really can't. I can't afford to be happy. So I gotta, you know what? I gotta get it out of my system, get back to work, get in front of the computer, and say, okay, let's look at the technicals. Now, there's one other component, guys, that I need to talk to you about that sometimes isn't TA related. It is more psychologically related. This is going to be really, really hard for people to understand and grasp, that we can have all these fucking levels you want, all these heat clusters, these diagonals, and at the end of the day, guys, trust me, from somebody who's been there, seen it, experienced it, couldn't believe it, was in awe. The market makers, before they take off, it is very, very, very fucking unlikely that they're going to pay $15 billion. Very fucking unlikely. So, with that being said, do not be surprised to see a fucking red fucking candle to wipe all the contracts out, get everybody fucking scared, and then whoo. What that does to you psychologically, you think you can handle it. You can't. Your stomach is going to fucking turn when you see this here. And my stomach is going to fucking turn. The only difference is that my stomach is turning for a completely different reason than yours. Yours is turning from fear. Mine is turning from fucking excitement. Because a peasant is going to feel fear on the way down. A professional is going to feel excitement because it's opportunity. We know the fucking difference. That difference is gonna make us take a paycheck and you stay poor. That's the difference. So, am I going to be quick enough to catch it? Nope, I can't. I have my computer, my phone with me at all times. Nope, I'll never catch it. But you know how I catch it? By having orders ready. Well, how do you know where it's going to go down? That's the question of a fucking peasant, of a poor person. How do you know how low it's going to go down? How the fuck do I know that, you stupid fucking poor piece of shit? I am not greedy. I am going to have orders on all major points. Oh, but that's too high here. Well, that's maybe for you. Maybe for you. That may be too. That's fine. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. It's my motherfucking money, you poor peasant. So I will have orders here. I will have orders here. I will have orders here. Fuck, I'm going to have orders. Fuck yeah, I'm going to have orders here. Oh, it'll never go to 15. Oh, okay, maybe it doesn't. Then guess what? If it doesn't go, it doesn't pick up. It doesn't pick up. But I'm not going to play I catch the bottom. I catch the bottom game. Fuck that. Fuck that. I catch the order game. That's the game I play. I want to get filled. That's my game. So if it takes 3, 4, 5, I have 6 orders. If it takes 3 of them, great. Fucking great. That's awesome. If by some miracle it takes the 6th one, something that your dumb peasant brain can compute is that this order that I took up here waiting for me, guess what happens? It automatically, it's called math. So again, I don't know if you're in your third world country, they didn't teach you fucking math, but it's called averaging down. So what'll happen is this order here magically becomes lower. Isn't that incredible? So what do I care about here? Oh, it's too high. Maybe for you, not for me. Right? And then let's see where it goes. Let's see what happens from there. You guys better be excited. I hope you guys are excited as I am. We're in the greatest asset class in the fucking world. Everybody wants your Bitcoin now. Now everybody wants it. And it's not just me telling you. The proof is in the fucking data. Every single fucking institution is buying up here. But your peasant fucking ass thinks it's too high. Let me give an example. When Michael Saylor bought, what was it, like 1.2 billion at 25,000, everyone on Twitter ridiculed him. God, this fucking guy, it's about to drop. It's about to fucking drop. Fucking, it's about to lose 80%. Now every single institution is buying at 72. Oh, that's so fucking high. That's the worst advice. These fucking Twitter trader twat peasant poor motherfuckers are trying to say that the institutions are stupid, but they are the smart ones. I can't make this shit up. Just read the fucking comments of the stupidity in this fucking space. And then you think, why does BC have a separate community where he charges? Because that fee weeds out the stupid fucking poor peasants. Because if you can't even afford $100 a month, you're too fucking poor, and you probably have that mentality that you're smarter than the fucking institutions. So I don't want you around me. I don't want you there. So I'm going to charge you for the fucking privilege to be around people who have common fucking sense. Not that we're right, but we have common fucking sense. That's your cost of admission. And if you don't want to learn, and you want to say, fuck, I just rather just pay him $25 a month and let him grow my portfolio. Great. Come on. I don't have to teach you. I don't have to teach you shit. And I kind of like the $25 a month. You know why? Because I don't have to hear you. I don't have to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. I want to make money, and I'm going to allow you to make money on my 8 years of fucking experience. On my 8 years of proven fucking track record. Because I'm going to make a commission of what you fucking make. So better. I like the $25 a month because even the Telegram channel that I have for Twitter, it's fucking muted. It's muted. You're not even allowed to talk because I don't want to hear from you. I don't fucking want to hear I don't care what you have to fucking say to me. So it's fucking muted. Just to show you that you're fucking, I don't give a shit. You can make money off of me. That's fine. But I'm going to make money off of you too. It's a perfect partnership. Perfect fucking partnership. So if you want to join, $25 a month, you can either send me a DM and I'll give you the link. bctgsignal.com. You go there. When you sign up, you send me a DM with your email address. If anybody reaches out to you, they're a fucking scammer. Anybody goes into my comments and tries to click a link from there, I hope you lose it all. I hope for being that fucking stupid. So if you're not fucking stupid, go to my profile, click on the envelope button after you verify that that is me, and then send me a DM with that email address, because that'll verify that you paid, because I don't trust that you paid. So you have to send me a fucking email address to make sure you fucking paid. And then I'll give you a link to my Telegram channel that then has step-by-step videos explaining exactly what you need to do. I share my screen and I literally show you step by step. You don't have to do a single thing. You can't get any easier than that. Any easier than that. All right, guys. Have fun making money. I know you guys are killing it, right? You got to be killing it. If you're not joining my fucking Discord or my Telegram, that means you're doing so amazing by yourselves that you don't need to do that, which is great. Congratulations. I don't want to see you fucking fail. I'm not here to see you fail. I'm happy for you. I'm happy. I hope you're fucking killing it. We are. I fucking love it. That's why I'm excited every fucking day. Don't take my insults for being angry. I'm not angry. I just don't like stupid fucking people. But I'm happy as fuck. This is a great time to be in. The great space to fucking be in. It's amazing. This is what you planned all these years for this moment that's about to happen. And if you didn't plan and you don't have a system, I don't want you to fail, but you're going to fucking fail. But you know what? That's how I learned, by failing. That's how I learned, by falling flat on my motherfucking face. And I give you a 100% guarantee that every good trader out there, Paul, Stefan, Nebraska, Castillo, all of them fell on their fucking face. All of them. But the difference is that they said, you know what? Fuck this. I see the potential. I'm going to make it. And I look at them. Look at them. They're fucking, those are the people I have notifications on for a fucking reason. It doesn't matter how much I know. I like having confluence. I like verification. I want to make sure that my idea has some merit. So yeah, I'm going to look at their fucking tweets. It doesn't matter. Oh, I know T, I don't have to look at anybody's. That's fucking bullshit. I'm always trying to learn. Can I learn something new? Can I pick something up that may help me to make money? Yeah, there's always new things to learn. All right, guys, have a good day.